Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and today I'm unboxing the Blu Vivo XL3 Plus. Now, there are sometimes you just see a phone and it just catches your eye and you got to pick it up. That was the case here with this Blu device. Let's go ahead and turn the box around here and look at a few of the specs. Now on the back here, we got a 6-inch HD Plus curved glass display, 18 by 9 display ratio, widescreen viewing experience, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 processor, a 1.4 gigahertz quad-core processor, 64-bit, 32 gigabytes internal storage, 3 gigabytes of RAM, a 13 megapixel main camera with fade detection autofocus, and a 16 megapixel selfie camera with front LED flash and Blu Final Touch. Micro SD up to 64 gigabytes, non-removable 3000 mAh battery, advanced security fingerprint sensor, Android 7.1 Nougat, 4G LTE speed up to 150 megabits per second, and premium metal housing design. So let's go ahead right now, take the top off of this box here, and we'll go ahead and pull the phone out here and put it to the side. I'll take this little paper out here, and we will see what all comes in the box. So of course right here you do have what looks like a micro USB charging cable. You got a set of earphones here. Always nice to see that come with a phone. And right here, of course, you get your Blu wall adapter and SIM ejection tool here. Got some dual SIM stuff here, your quick guides, and also in here we do have the Blu screen protector. Always nice to see that come with a device, and as well as a little gel case, which, like I always say, is really nice for them to include on their devices. So keep that out, and we'll go ahead and put everything back in the box here, and we will look at the device. Okay, y'all, so the phone is in hand, and I gotta say, the phone does feel pretty nice in the hand. Now, taking a look around the phone, on the rear there, of course, your fingerprint scanner, of course, your camera and flash, some Blu branding. On the front, you have, take off this little sticker here. On the front, you got your camera, your flash, and your receiver with that nice 6-inch display. Bezels are very small on here. I think it has like an 88% screen to body ratio, something like that. On the right here, got a really nice textured power button, as well as a volume up and down. On the top there is a headset jack, 3.5 millimeter, and on the bottom is a single firing speaker, microphone, and micro USB. And on the left is your tray for your SIM and SD cards. So let's go ahead and give this phone its first boot up. Okay, that's a little vibration there. Got Blu, bold like us. So yeah, I'm really interested to try this phone out. You don't really see many Blu phones with a Snapdragon processor. So with the 425 processor plus 3 gigabytes of RAM and 30 gigabytes of ROM, I'm really anxious to try this phone out, see how it's going to work and how it's going to perform. So right now, I get the phone set up, and I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, everyone, so we're set up now and ready to go. Let's go ahead and hit the fingerprint scanner, see how fast this thing turns on. Pretty quick, not too bad. Yeah, pretty quick. Not bad for the fingerprint scanner. Now, looking at the phone here, there is no app drawer actually on this launcher, it appears. Got your phone, camera, messages, and Chrome down here. Go ahead and take a quick look at those while we're here. Now, got your dialer there, of course. And go into your messages. That's what kind of keyboard they put on this device. So go ahead in here. I guess it's going to be Gboard, and that's what it looks like there. So you got all your emojis here as well to scroll from. Now, these little keys down here are very small on this device. Now, scrolling over here, you got all the stuff that's actually on the phone. So not a whole lot of bloatware, as you see. Some Blu reward stuff there, the Opera browser, stuff like that. Nothing too bad. Now, I got your drop down here for notifications. So it's not your typical drop down that you see. You got to scroll over this way here to get into all of your stuff like Wi-Fi, mobile data, flashlight, hotspot location, and stuff like that. You can edit those as well. Let's go ahead and go into the settings here. Now, the settings, to me, looks very EMUI-ish. It does. It kind of has an EMUI look to it. Got your stuff here like hotspot, SIM, and network. So it is a dual SIM phone, SIM 1 or SIM 2, or have one SIM and an SD card. You got hotspot, you got more here for data use, VPN. I don't see any kind of Wi-Fi calling available on this device. You got your home here, so you can have apps badge, whatever that really is. Have to look at all this stuff. You got wallpaper, display. Now, one thing that I am seeing is that display is not very bright on this device. I was kind of surprised to see that, at full brightness, it's just not very bright. Got font size there, screen off time, ambient wake, auto rotate, and screensaver. Notification and status bar. So you can go in here and display the battery percentage, data traffic display, and notification management, lock screen notification, all that kind of stuff there. Not disturb, fingerprint, key guard, and password, apps management accounts. You got smart action here. A lot of stuff here. Got wake up screen by double tap, lock screen by double tap, flip to mute, get the call. You might can see those there and read those if you want to. Direct call, and just a bunch of stuff here. You have smart gesture here, so you can just kind of like draw, I guess, on the screen to access the camera, music, and phone. You can create your own and all that kind of good stuff. Like they got split screen as well. Opening method, long press the task key to open. Method 2 is long press the task manager interface and drag. So pretty cool stuff there. One-handed mode, auxiliary mode here. 3-finger screenshot, indicator lamp. Press power button twice for camera. Capture screen. All that stuff there. System and devices is all right here for your advanced backup and reset memory. So look at the memory here. It does have 3 gigabytes of RAM, and storage shows that it has 22.11 gigabytes free. So not too bad there. And you got battery management here as well. So you have the standby intelligent power saving. And it shows you the percentage there and what you've been using. So, this is a whole different setup, honestly, to me, for a Blu device. It's a whole different look. This phone does run Android 7.1.2 out of the box right here, as you see. So no Oreo as of right now. Running memory is 3 gigabytes. Phone storage, 32 gigabytes. This is the Vivo XL3 Plus with a quad-core processor. So we'll go ahead and go back home here, and down here just shows some other stuff like phone, contacts, music, and sound recorder. So a whole lot different. Now, if I push this button right here, you will see this looks very iOS. Okay, where you got to scroll over here and swipe up to get rid of things. Yeah, look at that. I mean, this is a whole different kind of phone that I'm really used to. It just has a different look to it, different feel to it. So yeah, I don't know. Let's go into the camera for a moment here to see what we have. Up here, got your HDR mode, flash. This button up here is for different effects, and this button up here is for professional mode, night mode. You got scene frame, super pixel, and QR code. Video mode, you got beauty video, and you got time lapse over here at 5x, 10x, 60x, up to 300x. So yeah. Photo, beauty, portrait mode here as well. Let's go up here into settings. You got touch shot, smile shot, self timer, ASD, shutter sound, camera roll. Picture size here is 13 megapixels, 4x3, and 8 megapixels, 18x9. Anti-flicker as well. Let's go over to the video mode, and we will see what we have going on here. So you press up here, record in 1080, 720, and 480, and I guess that's all the settings. Is what it's showing here. Now the front-facing camera, that is like super clear and super bright. I ain't even kidding with you. It also records in 1080, 720, and 480. Let's go into the photo mode here, and you'll see what we have going on in here. Touch shot, smile shot, self timer, camera roll, front mirror, and 16 megapixels and 10 megapixels, 18x9. So I will definitely be trying this thing here out and seeing how it does. But yeah, a whole new experience in Blu. I've never used a phone quite like this phone before, so getting used to that, the whole new system that it's running is just kind of different, but it's kind of nice as well. So a little bit of a learning curve on this phone here, but anyway, hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Blu Vivo XL3 Plus. If you did, hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave it below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.